Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Whatever time y'all are tuning in, I certainly appreciate y'all are here. Today's video, guys, we're going to be going over a group of knives that I just bought off an estate sale website. One day this week, too, guys, we're going to be going over the whole collection I bought over up there in Millbrook, Alabama. So be on the lookout for that. But this group of knives, guys, has some case in it. It has some China-made stuff in it. So can't wait to share. There's a couple of special knives in there I can't wait to share with y'all that made up. I think I paid $241 for this group of knives here, but you'll see why. You'll see why. But anyway, let's get over here on the table and go through these knives, guys. And I just want to thank each and every one of y'all for tuning in today, and I hope you enjoy the video. Okay, guys, I know y'all hear my AC, but I gotta have it. This thing got hot this morning. But anyway, let's go ahead and get this big boy out of the way. Check that out. Is that not pretty cool? Or what now? Look here. Is that not crazy? Look at that Army. Hoorah. It is a China made. Look at that. It is a real lock blade pocket knife. You believe that? That's slap amazing. The pictures on the website did not make it look this big. I swear it didn't. When I got that in, I'm like, my goodness. But ain't that cool? Wow. Anyway, that's going to end up on the Whatnot auction. Now this is another China made. It's pretty stout now. It might be Pakistan according to this sheath right here. And it's got looks like, I can't tell if that's wood. I believe it is wood. But it's a very well made knife now. It's stout. It's got the finger ring back here. Can't use that as a side draw, but that is the original sheath here. But it's a pretty knife. It's sharp. I mean, I'm telling you guys, that thing is sharp, man. But I love that design. I love the finger ring up close up top, and I love this finger ring right back here. Very cool. Very cool design. But I think that is wood, guys. I really do. It's pretty. That's going to be in the Whatnot auction too. My Whatnot auction, guys, is probably coming up after I get back from Clark's Kentucky Knives, his knife show. I'm going to it, so if you're up there, be sure to look me up. I'll be glad to meet with you. But I can't wait to meet everybody, guys. It's gonna be a fun trip. Me and Miss Fal's gonna leave on a Thursday, and we're gonna be coming back that Sunday. But this right here is a China made peanut right here. It's Kentucky Cutlery Company, but it is made in China, so handcrafted in China, designed in the USA. It's a very cool knife. It's bone. That's pretty cool. Eagle edge. Pretty cool. And this one here, I forgot what this one is. I think it's just, is it Providence Cutlery Company? Yeah, Providence Cutlery Company. That's pretty old now. It might be, well, I don't think it's out of, it might be late 60s. It's Delrin right there. Keychain knife. Not too bad. And this one here, guys, is a China made lock blade. Pocket clip. It's missing the inlay. It's got a thumb stud and a liner lock right there. See that? Very cool. This one's a China made one as well. The Best Defense 440 stainless steel. This one's probably gonna end up in the trash. It's got a loose blade. It really ain't no good. It's got a cheap sheath. It's just everything you'd expect out of this knife, the way it looks. You know what I mean? Just cheap all the way around. So that's probably gonna end up in the trash. Now this one here is Ozark Trail. It's Tonto. It's pretty sharp. That right there, I think it's just plastic. It's got a liner lock, pocket clip, and it's got a thumb stud too. You can probably do it with your, you can do it with your thumb, or you can do it with that flipper tab right there. It's a very cool knife. So this is going to end up in a whatnot auction. Let's see if there's any other China made. No, but this right here is a muskrat, but the blade's been whittled down bad. I forgot who made this. It's Schrade Walden, I think it is. Yeah, Schrade Walden. It's got a broken tip. That's been whittled down bad. It's just a parts knife. If the spring looks bad too. The handles are in great shape though, but that is Delrin. I think, yeah, it's Delrin. Just a parts knife. This right here, that's a Kingston, y'all. Kingston was a collaboration between Ulster and Imperial back in the 40s. Ain't that cool? They mainly done it for World War II, but as you can see, this is a Kingston right there. Pretty cool, that. It's just a parts knife, but that's I've never seen a pocket knife with Kingston on the tank stamp. That's pretty cool. Now this one here is a case, guys. It's this blade's in good shape right here. See here, and this is a 80. I got 81, if I'm reading that right. Yep, 81. It's 9 dots. But this is a nice blade here, and these two blades have been whittled down. So you know what I'm going to do with this one, guys? I'm going to make this a single blade knife right here. I'm going to take it all apart, remove these two blades, and use this as a single blade. It's going to look good. That's going to be a fun little project. It really is. Alright, and this right here is a Buck 301. It's in pretty good shape. I'm going to clean it up. Oh, it's 303, I'm sorry. And that year will be right here, guys. I don't know, that's an upside down T. But the blades seem to be in really good shape. I'm going to get the pliers. I've been wanting to open this one up. That blade's in good shape. That blade's in good shape. See, this just needs to be cleaned up. It's a good knife. I think it'll get it snapped back too. So we're gonna clean this one up here real soon. It's got a number on the back, 4489, which don't mean a thing for the knife, but it's a great knife. Now this one here is a Case Congress, believe it or not. Look at that bone. It's got a crack right there. But ain't that beautiful bone? I'm gonna fill that in with glue, with epoxy, and sand this whole thing down. And hopefully that crack will seal up. Look, it's got a coping blade. All the blades are in decent shape. They've been whittled down some, like that one has. But this is a great knife, guys. Great knife. Fitting to find out what year it is. I think it's the 80s, if I remember right. No, 70s. I know it's the early 70s. I know that. We're gonna have to clean that up before we'll be able to tell. Let me get some sandpaper real quick. And look here. It really ain't a bad knife, guys. I'm telling you, it's gonna clean up good, and that crack is gonna be just fine. Because I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna fill that in with epoxy and let that get dry. Then I'm gonna sand the whole thing down. It's gonna be a good looking knife. But this one right here, let's work on this. The inside, let me show you the inside real quick. The inside, guys, is pretty, it's not too bad. I've seen worse. But all these blades are gonna have snap. I can already tell. But we're fixing to sand that down. Where's it at? That ain't it. I done closed it. This is it right here. Putting to sand that down right there. That right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It might be a 10 dot, y'all. I think it is a 10 dot. And it's an 80. I think it's an 80. It's a 1980. Yes, sir. 1980. So we're gonna be cleaning this knife up here real soon, guys, and that's gonna be a very fun project to do because it's gonna be a great before and after on this knife. Awesome. All right, now this one is that chocolate bone. Beautiful bone. I'm gonna sand the whole thing down. I think this is a 6318 pattern Stockman. It's in great shape though. See, that's a 79. And that's a 6318 HE. HE means for sheep foot. And it's got a pin blade. See there? But that right there, that bone's gonna be beautiful. I'm gonna clean this one up. You see here all that snapping? That's a very, very nice knife. Ain't that cool? Beautiful bone on that side. Love it. But it's 6318 case. And then, guys, this one here, believe it or not, is a Tony Bose travel lock. Needs to be cleaned up now. You see that right there? CV, chrome vanadium. But that bone is going to be absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to take the pocket clip off and sand everything down. Get that surface rust off of that. It's going to be a beautiful knife. It already is. That bone is beautiful. But this is a 2019. Yes, sir, 2019. But this is what I paid up for, guys. It's never seen one. They're very rare with pocket clips. The Tony Bose travel locks are. This is a rare knife. With that pretty of a bone right there. Beautiful, ain't it? And once I sand that down and sand this side down, man, it's going to be amazing. Get that off of there. Can't wait, guys. I can't wait to get this one cleaned up. But between these right here, that one there, this one's easy. Even, you know, it not being mint, it's probably 150, 175. And then this one here is probably easy $100. Well, once I get it cleaned up. And this one here, 1980. Once I get it cleaned up and everything, probably 60. So I can get my money back and then some with these three knives. But guess what? I'm not selling them. I'm not going to sell them. I'm just going to get what I can out of the other knives I'm putting in the whatnot auction, and I'm gonna keep these. And this one here, guys, once I clean it up, it's at least probably about 35 to 40. Then I'm gonna have fun cleaning this one up and making it a single blade. But this is what I wanted right here. That's what I was shooting for, because it's just a rare knife. Rare knife with a pocket clip. I haven't been able to find this exact one. Sure haven't. Looked on eBay, I looked everywhere, and they're discontinued and they're going for well over $200 mint. So beautiful knife. Can't wait to get this cleaned up. But that is the my little haul that I got off of the estate sale website, guys. Y'all let me know how I done. But I love this Tony Bose knife here. Love it. It's gonna be fun. Hoorah. Well, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed the video today. I cannot wait to clean that one up right there, guys. That is a beautiful Tony Bose travel lock with a pocket clip. Ain't that cool? A lot of people were wanting this group of knives, but I wanted them the mostest. So I got it. I cannot wait to get this one cleaned up. And I cannot wait to do this one here and make it a single blade. These are Darren handles, and it is a 1981. Beautiful. That clip blade's in perfect shape. It really ain't been used much, but they used the stew out of these two small blades. But that Darren's gonna clean up, guys. It's gonna be a great single blade knife. I cannot wait to do that. Beautiful. And this one here, guys. Oh boy, that's that chocolate bone 6318 pattern. Beautiful, beautiful knife right there. I love it. I really do. Beautiful piece right there. And then you got this 1980. I think it's a 1980. The best I can tell is a 1980, but I will verify that once I clean it up. But this is going to be a beautiful knife too, guys. Cannot wait. That's beautiful bone, other than that crack right there. But we're gonna make it right. We're gonna sand the stew out of it and get it looking pretty again. So I cannot wait to clean that one up. And then this buck's gonna clean up good too, guys. So I love finding lots of knives like this, knowing I'm getting my money's worth, especially out of that one right there. Rare knife. Pocket clip on that kind of a travel lock with Tony Bose. Hoorah. Very cool. Very cool. Well, anyway, guys, I just want to thank each and every one of y'all for tuning in today. And I just want to say God bless to each and every one of y'all. Until we meet again, guys, y'all be like a good night. Stay sharp.